Almighty, take all the assets, what I got, and give me a chance to stay with the wildflowers, the unknown flowers, which attracts me a lot. The wildflowers are the most attractive element of the nature. The beauty is boundless, and they are so attractive. They grow effortlessly without any care of the people. And the vibrant leaves, the color of the vibrant leaves attracts me too. It makes me amazed. I'd like to stay all the time close to the nature, and the nature attracts me. Do you love flowers? The wild flowers? I invite you to love them.